So good morning guys, Nurse Harold again here for another vlog. Nandito ako sa city center, gumagawa ako ng videos. Lahat ng mga places na pinapakita ko is mostly yung sa city center. So ngayon, I'm off today, wala naman akong gagawin. So maglalakad tayo and then ipapakita ko sa iyo yung other side ng Dublin na hindi ko pa I think nalalagay sa mga videos ko. And yeah, it's just one of the attractions as well. So I hope na mag-enjoy kayo. Ang gagamitin natin is itong M50 Canon ko. And then for the video or shots, we'll use the 10 to 18mm na lens for wide shots. Kasi mas maganda siya, mas malaki yung range niya. And then for close-up shots, ay gagamitin natin yung 15 to 45mm lens, which is yung kit lens nung nabili ko tong Canon natin. So yeah, hopefully mag-enjoy kayo. This is actually a kit to tignan nyo, colorful type of building. So, kuha tayo ng shots nito and then after, edit natin. Sa last vlog ko kasi, may nagtanong ng like, how do I edit my videos? Pwede ba daw ako mag-tutorial? Well, natuto lang akong gumawa ng mga tutorial na yan. It's because I also watch, YouTubers who are really good at filmmaking basics. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-deliver, but siguro ganito na lang. So always remember na every time you make a vlog and then gagawa ka ng isang video, always gumawa ka ng story. Nandito ako ngayon sa labas ng Epic Museum. Just to give you a quick idea, nag-move yung mask ko. Epic Museum is one of the attractions dito sa Dublin. Na basically, it's a museum na you can visit and then makikita mo dito yung yung parang it tells you about the history of Ireland, yung Great Famine, at saka yung mga transport and all. So if nandito ka sa Ireland and then or Dublin and then you want to know about Ireland in general in a quick perspective, yeah, you can visit the Epic Museum. Pero now it's closed because of the pandemic. Ang amazing lang, building and then another building and then church sa gitna. Diba? Ang galing. Ang dati pinipress namin ito, ngayon sensor na lang siya. Ang ganda ng wall art na yun, wall art ba yun? Or street art or whatever. Ang ganda niya in fairness, tsaka at ang timing dumaan si ate. Ang ganda ng shot na yun, bet ko yun. So, isa pang iconic na parang, hindi mo siya symbol, pero talagang makikita mo siya pag pupunta ka sa Dublin is ito yung Harp Bridge. Natawag namin yung Harp Bridge or basically ang pangalan niyan is yung Samuel Bennett Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. Yan yung bridge na nagko-connect sa north at saka south ng Dublin. Very evident, pagpasok mo agad ng Dublin, makikita mo agad siya. So, it's just nice, wala lang, icons. Alam niyo yung harp? Ano ba yung harp evangelista? Hey! You and I love to lie, anything to survive. Run round, we're living Phoenix style. Yeah, we fire and we live, anything to survive. Dito ako ngayon sa Grand Canal. Isa din to sa mga lugar na pwede mo puntahan sa Dublin. Anong meron dito? Nandito yung Board Gas Theater. Parang siya, lahat, mostly ng mga plays na ginaganap sa Dublin, dito siya ginagawa. I think 2018, the last time I remember, pumunta kami dyan, nanood kami ng Miss Saigon, which was actually good. Tapos nandito rin yung parang tech side ng Dublin. Makikita mo dito yung Facebook. Yeah, dito nga pala sa Dublin, may Google din. So, puntahan natin, kulang tayo ng shots ng lugar. Hindi natin makakapasok. Google. So yan yung Wax Museum dito sa Dublin. Attractions as well, but now it's closed. You can see there Batman and then Vampire, and that's Hades, I suppose. And you have Superman on the side. Yeah. Si Kuya nagpapakain siya ng ng mga seagull. Actually, yan. Oh, look at that. Oh. That is the famous Heineken building. Makita mo lang siya straight away sa city center ng Dublin, which is actually paggabi yan, umiilaw yan. So that is the Trinity College, one of the best colleges in the world as far as I know, and yeah, it's closed now as well. So ito yung famous na templebar dito sa Dublin. Mostly mga shops and mga pubs, but for now it's actually closed. So it's eventually quiet at the meantime. Kinabahan ako, kinausap ko ng police kanina. She was just asking if what I'm doing and why do I take videos, yung parang ganun. So, in-explain ko lang sa kanya na I have a like YouTube channel, and then medyo curious siya sa camera na ginagamit ko. So, I just explained it to her as well. But she was nice. So, I think that's it, guys. Pauwi na tayo. Hindi pala. Dadaan muna ako ng supermarket. Bili tayo ng mga gulay kasi magluto tayo for our lunch. And yeah, see you later. So, back in the house now, guys. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon dito sa Dublin. And yeah, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Dublin is actually a small city lang. Kung pag-usapan is yung mga places na you want to see in Dublin. Ano lang siya, walkable lang siya. Hindi siya ganun like it will take you days to go around Dublin. Hindi siya ganun. Each tourist attraction is just actually walking distance away from each other. So, if mag-travel ka or you have any plans na mag-travel sa Dublin, that would really be a good idea. Transport-wise, hindi siya ganoon kahirap. Maraming options. Sinasabi nila is Ireland is one of the fastest growing economy dito sa Europe. But I don't know about that one. But basically, I think it is. And yeah, it's a lovely city. So, yun lang. So, if you're new to my channel, baka naman you can click on the subscribe button. And yes, I'll see you again in my next vlog. This is Nurse Harold. Signing off. It's deja vu.